Assalamu alaikum lovelies, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a summer hijab style. Now the scarf that I've used for this is a chiffon scarf from Hyra Collections. It's my first time buying a scarf from Hyra Collections and I love it. It is super soft and I've got the desired look. So the thing that I like about this style is that I can use my sunglasses. That is the first thing, because every other style that I've tried, whenever I put my sunglasses on, it is hard for me to put it in and then take it out as well. So every time I take it out, there's a bit of hair that pops out. So with this style, it is super easy to put your sunglasses on and take it off as well. Another thing that I like about this style is that it is super thin. So there's only one layer on the top, one layer over here, and one layer at the back. So it is a super thin hijab style, perfect for summer. It is a full coverage style as well, so everyone who likes a full coverage, this is the perfect style for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell button so you can get notifications when I upload video. Thank you. I placed the shorter side of the hijab under my chin and secured it with a pin to the top. So there you go, I'm placing one pin here, and then as I pin the other side, I'm just going to contour my face as well with the hijab. So now I've got a long piece of scarf draped in front of me. With the longer side in my right, I'm flipping it loosely over my head. So I'm just fiddling with my scarf now, just so that I can get the front coverage, and yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm just going to pin both the sides. In a minute there you go. So now I'm going to pin both the sides, just to secure it, because it's a chiffon scarf. It does tend to come off your head quickly, so I'm just pinning it on both sides. And yeah, this is the finished look. A very simple summer hijab style, and this is how the back looks like. It's not really shown in the video, but it is a triangular shaped back, and as you can see, it is a full coverage. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.